out the window of the montage. Cocaine on the table, liquor porn, don't give a damn. Dude, your girlfriend is so groovy, she just tryna get in. Say
4 different opportunities I think you guys could utilize to make money online. So I have Pluto here. I'm gonna put him down right here next to me, so he's gonna be listening along. The first one, to kind of get started, if I was just getting started to the internet world and I was just trying to make, my first $100 online, or just make my first dollar online, I'd probably start testing out affiliate marketing. For those of you guys that don't know what it is, it's basically where you promote other people's products and services. You end up getting a commission for every single time that somebody buys through your social media, through your links that you're promoting these products. To actually start doing the actual business itself, like promoting and selling other people's products, it doesn't really cost you anything. I mean, you may end up spending later on, some money on advertising, but again, you're gonna be making a return on that, so it doesn't really, that capital is not just going to waste. You're making a return on whatever you invest in it. But at first, you can literally start promoting people's products for free, just using your social media right now that you have. If you start learning early on how you can promote other people's products and services, you can use the same skill sets that you learn to promote their products and services for your products and services that you'll have later on. You've already learned the skill sets of how you can promote other people's products and services and actually generate sales from doing it. And you can actually do the same thing with your products and services. So the next opportunity is, you guys probably may have already heard about it. It's been really huge within the last 1 or 2 years or so. And it's starting up a social media marketing agency where you help small and local business owners get more clients and more sales utilizing social media. So running ads for them, taking care of posting on their social media platforms, and pretty much everything that involves their social media. While you're learning social media marketing, you get to literally learn all about social media, not only for businesses, but you also get to learn about social media and all the ins and outs for yourself as well, because obviously you're gonna be the one handling the business and social media. The third opportunity that I would actually consider getting involved with if I was just trying to get started making money online is Amazon FBA. Now, for those of you guys that don't know what Amazon FBA is, it's basically fulfillment by Amazon, which is basically where you can become an Amazon seller and sell products utilizing Amazon's platform. They take care of all the fulfillment. You take care of getting the product, shipping it to their warehouse, but you get to utilize their process of, fulfilling the orders and all that stuff. Now with Amazon FBA, there will be some type of investment learning how the business works, either an online course or in-person seminar. And also there will be some startup costs to actually get started, because you do have to pay for the inventory up front. And it looks like the startup capital is like anywhere from like $700 to like $1,000. As far as the skill sets go, you do get to learn about how to really rank products really well, because obviously the way that you end up becoming like a top seller and really crushing the sales of your products is by learning how to rank these products really well, getting good reviews and doing different things like that. So you do get to the skill sets of learning how to rank products on Amazon, and you do get the skill sets of learning how to utilize reviews and all these different things to again rank your products really well on this platform. All right, so the last opportunity that I would choose to get started with if I was trying to make money online is e-commerce and dropshipping. For those of you guys that don't know what e-commerce and dropshipping is, it's basically where you're the middleman. You basically find hot and trending products from different suppliers, like from China, either through websites like AliExpress, DHgate. After you find these hot and trending products, you then make a website around these products, and then what you do from there is you drive traffic to these products. After you generate sales and people actually buy these products, you then take the revenue that you've already generated and then actually place the order from one of these suppliers, and they take care of completely fulfilling the order. So you basically just middleman the whole process, and there's no inventory, you don't have to touch any products, you don't have to fulfill any orders. The startup cost for e-commerce and dropshipping, I would say it ranges from anywhere from like $500 all the way to $1,000, and usually that startup cost is used for advertising. You can literally start up a Shopify store for free. I actually have a link in the description you guys can check out. You can literally get a 2-week free trial on just on the platform itself. You can learn how it all works. So as far as the skill sets that you can learn within e-commerce and dropshipping, you can learn how to set up a website that actually converts, how to drive paid traffic utilizing Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Instagram influencers, and a whole lot more. You're also gonna learn how to set up a back-end system and utilizing email marketing. You're also gonna learn how to hire a team to help you automate your business. So for me, I'm a huge fan of obviously e-commerce and dropshipping, because that's what I've seen the results and success in. What's pretty cool within all these opportunities is that if you learn about e-commerce and dropshipping, you can use the skill sets that you learn from, let's say driving traffic to your store, to do affiliate marketing. You can use the same same skill sets that it takes to drive traffic to your e-commerce store to then promote other people's products and services if you wanted to. Same thing with if you wanted to run a social media marketing agency, you can use the same skill sets and drive traffic to whatever clients you work with, you know? Obviously, I'm a huge fan of e-commerce and dropshipping, but I am also a fan of some of the other opportunities we just went over, so I figured I'd share them, you know, all these opportunities with you guys so you guys can consider which one you want to go after. For anyone that wants to specifically learn about e-commerce and dropshipping, I have put together what we call the P2P Dropshipping Accelerator. You can actually check the link in the description. It pretty much will teach you everything you need to know from how to set up a Shopify store to how to launch your first Facebook ad campaign. So, you know, make sure you check it out. You'll also get to see a free training, you know, once you click the link. If you guys got any value from this video, make sure you leave me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments. Let me know which one of these opportunities you guys have tried out and which ones you guys like best. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, join the V fam, and I'll see you guys in the next video.